trying to find some peace of mind. Tonight I feel so low again, alone again. To me you are the brightest star in the sky. Oh, why do you cry?
Okay, so now that we're in Divergent, this is the game plan. So today is the Golden Gate Bridge Day, if you haven't picked it up at this point. We gotta walk 30 minutes to even get to the beginning of the bridge, and then we can start the 30-minute walk across the bridge. I'm excited. I'm so hyped.
Do not fear, we've been here before, my dear. It's clear that we've made it this far. Now look where we are.
So we did it. We ate some food. I forgot a fork for my salad, so I had an apple, thank God. Yeah, we need a relaxing moment. I would love a hot tub at this very moment, but that's not happening. But we're going to a beach, and the sun seems to be doing something at least. Yeah, this is the time. These flyaways have been the most annoying part of the journey. Not all of our bags. No one is carrying bags.
For you, keeping all my love, keeping all my love for you, keeping all my love, keeping all my love. Keeping on my
Made it to the beach. Sun check. Where's it at? I don't know. You tell me. But we gotta touch some California water, you know? Wow.
pinball machines and 90s screen. How 50 cities spin. Classes for the moon.
It's cold, but I really need to pee. It's freaking cold, but we got this. We went in, and I didn't get my hair wet because, frick no, it's so cold.
Lessons and coffee. How fuzzy of all me could be. Beautiful light is in phrases we left.
Julie loves blue bottle so much.
I love it.
Yeah, love it.
It's my best part of the day.
Yeah, if you ever need to give her a birthday present, blue bottle. Got it?
Kristine, the ice cube.
We have been out all day. We left 9 a.m. What time is it? Past 5.
It's like 6.
Oh, it's 6 o'clock. Almost. 5:48. You think the day's over? It's not.
No.
Hey friends, sorry the lighting is so horrible, but some things are just the way they are. We came back from our long ass day. We went to Shake Shack, went to a few shops after the beach. Shake Shack, Blue Bottle for Julie, because like I've mentioned, Julie loves Blue Bottle. We came back here, freshened up, shower, changed, because we're gonna go to a bar. As y'all know, I don't drink. Sorry I'm chewing and talking. Yeah, as y'all know, I don't drink. So I'll probably get some form of non-alcoholic Situation Nation. And then they also have marinated olives, which if you know, I love olives. Julie loves Blue Bottle. Blue Bottle. I keep wanting to call it Blue Bottle. Blue Bottle, I love olives. So I'm gonna get some olives and like a little drinky drink, because I don't really want any food. I had some Shake Shack fries, a Dr. Pepper. Now I'm snacking on some carrot sticks because I want to finish these. I have a whole bag and I don't want to waste them, obviously. So I've kind of had a 3-part dinner. Some fries, some carrots, and then I'll eat something later on. They have a few options like petite roasted squash that I can have vegan. I'm not vegan, no cheese, but it's $10. Like, if I'm honestly not hungry, I'm not gonna get it, and I'm just gonna get some olives because that sounds delicious. Like, they have a poke bowl that I can eat. I don't really need a whole meal right now. I'm good. I had a salad for lunch. I feel good. I'm gonna eat so many of these carrots. Yeah. This was a long clip to be in bad lighting, but like I said, some things are just the way they are. Here's my outfit. I look like a painter. I'll get some lighting. See, y'all could have seen me like this. Okay, we're gonna back it up. Y'all could have seen me like this, but you didn't. Green jumpsuit, pants, this beige, really big, button up. Here's me in the mirror. Once again, I look like I'm gonna go painting, but not really my biggest issue right now. I'm gonna wear some sandals, and then we're gonna have a good night. I don't think I'm gonna bring this just because we're probably gonna walk home in the dark, and I don't wanna be worrying about too many things, you know? So yeah. So we're out. Are you proud of us? Because we are. I'm proud of me.
Yeah, we haven't gone out like late.
After 8, like we are usually in bed at this time because we just do so much of the day. But guess what? It's sprinkling. Isn't that hilarious? Wondering what San Fran looks like? It's literally this. During the day, during the evening.
Time for the two of us. I ain't got space. Thinking about you. You know this ain't.
These olives
Time for the
hitting
two of
me.
us. I ain't got space. Thinking about you.
444.
No,
There she
this
is.
ain't time for the two of us. I ain't got space.